Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing today? It's heck is today Tuesday, May 4th. Now, I don't know where all that May the 4th be with you. Oh, I know I'm not really a Star Wars fan, so we're not going there. Anyway, my latest project was trying to come up with a solution to have some shade. Well, I bought a couple of what they call easy up pop-up dealies. Well, the first one I got, they put in the back of the truck for me, so I didn't realize it until I got home. Damn thing's too heavy for me to even carry, let alone put up by myself. So, ordered a second one. It came in. No, I could move it around, but I couldn't put it up. So, looking for another solution. What do? Oh, I know what I can do. I can get a truck awning. Whoops. Alright, so this isn't going to let me spin it around. Ugh, I hate my fucking camera. Anyway, I'll just turn this around. Hopefully, I'll keep it in the picture. So what I did is I purchased a cargo basket because my truck already has crossbars on it. So, and this will give me a little more storage room too for some of the light stuff. I'm going to get a one of them rifle boxes, the Plano ones that Harbor Freight sells, like $120 or something. Now I think it'll fit in there. I'll have to check the measurements on it, but this is a 65-inch basket. And I think it looks pretty good on the truck. Pam even said the same thing. Makes my truck look sportier. Anyway, here's what I got. I bought this off of, where did I get that from? I think I got the cargo basket on, oh, that came from Walmart. And then I got this nice little truck awning here. It's $140 some dollars on eBay, and got it all mounted up there. I just finished up the mounting, so it's a little bit crooked. I haven't quite balanced it out yet, but this thing all folds up into that bag on there, and it's mounted up there. It's pretty sturdy. I guess I ought to take this off of there before I forget about it and drive away and lose a tape measure. It wouldn't be the first one I lost, but anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Let's get up here on the ladder. So basically I got a great big huge area, and the thing is I can operate this one by myself, so I'm real pleased about that. Sun's not quite overhead yet, but that's the amount of shade that I'm getting off of there, which is plenty for me. You know, a couple other people maybe. But you wonder why I go through some of this stuff. But yeah, it's pretty decent setup. I forget the length on this canopy, awning, whatever you want to call it, but it's a pretty good size, so I'm happy. I mean, it comes all the way down to the bed of my truck, or the cab of my truck, I should say. It's not attached to the cab, so you know, any flex or anything, body roll, it's not going to affect it. And the good part about it is I'll have it with me all the time, so I won't forget it. And I can put it up by myself. It was a little difficult the first time because everything wants to flop around when you're by yourself, so, but how cool is that? So anyway, Facebook friends, that was my project I was working on yesterday, and I come out, it took me about 20 minutes to finish mounting the awning itself, because I had to open it up and see which side was up and which side was supposed to be down. Make sure I bolted it up there right the first time, so I didn't have to do it twice. So anyway, That's all I got for you right now. And I'm sure I will speak with y'all later. Y'all have a great day. God bless. I'm out.